If you're new to AI tools in 2025, you're probably overwhelmed by the hundreds of options out there. I spent 3 weeks testing every major AI tool and narrowed it down to the 10 best ones that beginners actually need, and most of them are completely free. In this video, I'll show you the ultimate list of AI tools for 2025, organized by what you actually want to do: writing, design, video, productivity, and coding. Stay tuned. These tools can transform your workflow fast. I'm from AI Crunch, where we break down the smartest AI tools and how to actually use them in real life. These are the tools I use every single day, and they're beginner-friendly, which means you don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge. Let's start with Category 1, AI Writing Tools. First category, AI Writing Tools. If you need to write emails, essays, blog posts, or social media captions, these 2 tools are all you need. Tool number 1, ChatGPT free version. This is the most popular AI writing tool for a reason. It's free, it's fast, and it handles 90% of writing tasks. Use it for brainstorming ideas, drafting emails, rewriting paragraphs, or even creating outlines for essays. The free version gives you GPT 3.5, which is more than enough for beginners. Tool number 2, Grammarly free version. Once ChatGPT writes your draft, paste it into Grammarly to fix grammar, spelling, and tone. The free version catches most mistakes and suggests clarity improvements. Together, ChatGPT plus Grammarly covers all your writing needs without paying a single dollar. Pro tip: if you're a student or content creator writing 10+ pieces per week, consider upgrading to ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. It's faster and gives you access to GPT-4. Second category, AI design tools. If you need to create thumbnails, social media graphics, presentations, or logos, these 2 tools are game changers. Tool number 3, Canva free version with AI features. Canva now has built-in AI tools like Magic Write for generating text, Magic Design for instant layouts, and an AI image generator. The free version gives you access to thousands of templates and basic AI features. Use it for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentation slides, anything visual. Tool number 4, Remove.bg. This is a free tool that removes backgrounds from images instantly. Upload a photo, and it gives you a transparent background PNG in 5 seconds. Perfect for creating professional-looking graphics without Photoshop skills. Pro tip: if you create visual content weekly, Canva Pro at $13 per month is worth it for the background remover and premium templates. Third category, AI video tools. If you want to create or edit videos without spending hours learning complex software, these 2 tools are must-haves. Tool number 5, CapCut free version. CapCut is a free video editor with AI-powered auto captions, background removal, and text-to-speech. It's beginner-friendly and works on desktop and mobile. Use it for editing YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or any short-form content. The free version has everything you need except 4K exports and watermark removal. Tool number 6, Descript free version. Descript lets you edit video by editing text. It transcribes your video, and you can cut sections by deleting words in the transcript. The free version gives you 1 hour of transcription per month, which is perfect for beginners testing it out. Use it for podcast editing, interview videos, or any talking head content. Pro tip: if you post videos weekly, upgrade to CapCut Pro for $8 per month to remove watermarks and export in 4K. Fourth category, AI productivity tools. If you want to automate repetitive tasks, manage your schedule, or stay organized, these 3 tools will change your workflow. Tool number 7, Notion AI free trial. Notion is a workspace tool, and Notion AI adds features like auto summaries, task generation, and content brainstorming. The free trial gives you 20 AI responses, which is enough to test it out. Use it for organizing notes, creating to-do lists, or summarizing meeting notes. Tool number 8, Otter.ai free version. Otter joins your Zoom or Google Meet calls and transcribes everything in real time. The free version gives you 600 minutes per month, which is about 10 hours of meetings. Use it for meeting notes, lecture transcriptions, or interview recordings. Tool number 9. Zapier free version. Zapier connects different apps and automates workflows without coding. The free version gives you 100 tasks per month. Use it to autosave email attachments to Google Drive, post social media updates across platforms, or send Slack notifications when you get new emails. Pro tip: if you automate more than 100 tasks per month, Zapier's paid plan at $20 per month is worth it. Fifth category, AI coding tools. If you're learning to code or need to write scripts for automation, this tool is essential. Tool number 10. GitHub Copilot free trial. Copilot is an AI coding assistant that suggests code as you type. It works with Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and dozens of other languages. The free trial gives you 30 days to test it, and after that it's $10 per month. Use it for writing code faster, debugging errors, or learning new programming concepts. If you're a student, you can get GitHub Copilot for free through the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Pro tip: if you code daily, the $10 monthly cost pays for itself in time saved. Bonus tool: Perplexity AI free version. Perplexity is like Google Search plus ChatGPT combined. It searches the web and gives you AI-generated answers with sources cited. Use it for research, fact-checking, or finding up-to-date information that ChatGPT doesn't have. The free version gives you 5 searches per day, which is plenty for beginners. Here's the big lesson: you don't need to pay for AI tools when you're just starting out. These 10 free tools cover writing, design, video, productivity, and coding. Start with the free versions, learn how to use them, and only upgrade when you're using them every single day, and the paid features will save you real time. Comment below which tool you're going to try first. I'm curious to see which category resonates most with you. And if you want to see how I use these tools to automate my entire work week and save over 6 hours, watch that video next. I'll link it on screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.